Let me talk about me as an instructor. My name is Feature Ibeche, and I am going to be your instructor in this course. I've been a Microsoft Office and a web development instructor for over 5 years plus, so this course will be taught with your best interest at heart and a step-by-step simplified approach. I want to assure you that this course is for you, whether you have little or no knowledge in Excel, or you just want to simply advance your Excel skills. Then you are at the right place, because at the end of this course, you will be able to use Excel effectively to do basic Excel calculations. You also know how to calculate Excel functions and formulas, and you also know your way around Excel environment. This will also help you to also know how to calculate logical sequences, which will help you make productive decisions in your day-to-day activities for your business or even your job. Okay? You also know how to practically calculate result performance for an organization or even school. Let me also tell you that this course will grind your understanding on calculating company payroll. Let's say you work for an organization and you are the accountant, or you are asked to calculate the workers' pay for a particular month. This course is surely for you, because it will help you solve that problem from a real-time data. Not to also forget that this course will also take you through the world of data analysis, which is one important skill in the IT industry today. We also have lots more of courses to cover. So what are you waiting for? Hop in so we do this together, and I'm going to see you at the other side.